Hey guys! Welcome back once again to another video. Today I'll be doing unboxing of these combat boots from Michael Kors. So this is the parcel that I've got the other day and it's quite big, guys. So as you can see, meron siyang word na repack dito. So I think ni-reopen siya sa custom kasi medyo malaki yung box niya. I'm just gonna open this box. So here it is, guys. Na-open ko na siya. Ang laki. The box is so big. Ayan. Alright. I'm gonna open it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh, yes. Wow. Wow. It's so pretty. Oh my god. So this is the boots, guys. The combat boots. Oh my god, look at that. Look how pretty is that. It's so shiny. Oh my god. So pretty. So gorgeous. Oh my god. It's so beautiful. I'm so excited to wear this next month because we're going to Queenstown, guys. We're gonna have a holiday for 8 days, so I'm gonna wear this. So excited. I really like the color combination. It's black and brown with the accent of gold, and it got that MK print throughout, which is I really love the most. And it got a side zipper closure as well. Look at that. There's a Kors print. It's very cute, guys. So it's 72.5% cotton, 27.5% coated canvas. The lining is synthetic and the sole is rubber. Here, guys, this is rubber. And the heel height is 2.5 inches, so which is perfect heel height. It's not that high, it's comfortable to wear. And the heel type is rubber. So the price of this combat boots is 409 New Zealand dollars. So in pesos, estimated price, it's about 14 to 15,000 pesos. It depends how much the exchange rate. So it's not sale price, guys. It's full price. And disclaimer, this is not a sponsor from Michael Kors. I bought this one with my own money. I forgot to tell you guys that this one is not cloth. This is leather. So as you can see, it's very shiny and it's very comfortable to wear because the heels, it's a flat kind of heels. It's not pointed, so it's very comfortable. So if you want to check out these combat boots, I'm gonna put the Michael Kors website link in my description box so you can check it out. And that's all my vlog for today. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!